Day number 16. I'm really ripping this calendar apart, but every now and then we get a side panel which has a slightly bigger thing in it. Last time I had day 13, which was a car. We'll see what this is. This is like another. Is this another Black Panther? Oh, bloody hell. I've had one of these already. How lazy is that? There's literally another Black Panther. Damn you, Black Panther. It is another Black Panther. I've got two of those in this advent calendar. Unbelievable. I'll catch you guys tomorrow for number 17. Let's hope I don't get another repeat. Especially another repeat of that Cleveland Indians / Guardians wristband bracelet. I will see you again. Thanks for watching.